Hello sa lahat ng mga tribe of Jed na nasa abroad. I just want to thank you for all the support, for your big help in 2011. And here's to a big to 2012. At sana mag-get together tayo soon, kompleto from mga tribe of Jed dito sa Pilipinas at tribe of Jed International. Pero hindi pa tapos yung greeting, may mag-greet pa sa inyo. Tara na!
Kuha.
Meron kaming outing. Kaya gustong sumama. Kailan ba tayo may outing? August? July?
September.
Ay, oo, tribe anniversary na, 7th anniversary ng tribe. Kailangan pagplanuhan, hindi kayo dito.
Hi.